despairrepair.com. Hi everyone and welcome to despairrepair.com. In this video we're going to show you how to change a turn signal bulb. We'll be doing this on a Skoda Fabia Mark 1, but the basic principle can be applied to almost all cars. One of the first ways you'll notice that a turn light signal isn't working is like this. In this example, the right turn light isn't working, and as you can see, it clicks at a more faster rate. The left one is working correctly, and the right one isn't. So the moment you notice a symptom like this, check the turn light bulb. So let's pop the hood and get going. For this job you won't need any tools. All you'll need is a 21 watt 12 volt light bulb. On the Skoda, the light bulb has the orange glass balloon. On some cars the glass balloon may be transparent. Now the first thing you have to do is gain access to the bulb socket. With the Skoda Fabia, the bulb socket is located here. This is the right hand side of the car. As you can see, it is very accessible, no problems reaching the bulb. The driver's side is also very accessible. As you can see, there's plenty of room for your hands, so you can replace the bulb on other side without any problems. The next thing you do once you found the bulb socket is to take it out. All you have to do is grab the socket and turn counterclockwise. Like this, you'll hear a small clicking sound and pull the socket out. There's no wires connected to it. It's a good system. It only has two small connectors here and here which give electricity to the bulb. After that, push the bulb a bit inside, turn counterclockwise and pull it out. Like this. Make a brief inspection of the bulb socket. If there's any kind of buildup on the socket inside here on this contact or on these two contacts here and here, you can use some WD-40 spray, contact spray, or you can use some sandpaper and clean it. Now after that, you take a new bulb, press inside, just make sure that these fit in properly, push it inside like this, press a bit and turn clockwise. You'll feel the bulb sitting inside. After that, push the holder into place like this, okay, until it fits. Don't force anything, make sure it fits in properly, and then turn clockwise like this. You may not hear a click, but you'll feel the socket sitting into place. Now regarding the basic principle. As we've said in the beginning of the video, changing a turn light bulb is more or less the same on any car type you may drive. The main difference from what we've shown you on the Skoda is the accessibility of the rear side of the headlight. Thanks to crammed engine bays on most cars, accessibility is a huge issue on many of today's cars. So it may be not this roomy as it is in the Skoda. You may have to take off some plastic panels. On some cars, you can only reach the turn light bulb through the fender plastic and so on. On this part, I would advise to Google this topic for your car exactly. This way is best for avoiding any kind of damage, hurting yourself, scratching your hands, and so on. The second main difference will be that there might be wiring coming out from this socket, In some cases it can be taken off, but in most cases it comes out together with the socket. So as I've mentioned, the principle is the same. Just take hold of the socket, turn it counterclockwise, pull it out, pull out the old bulb, insert a new one, and return the socket back into place and turn clockwise. So there you have it. One more simple procedure that you can surely do on your own. All you need is a spare bulb and some patience. One more piece of advice at the end: if you don't have the exact matching light bulb with the orange balloon, you can use a bulb with a transparent one. The only difference will be that the turn signal will shine in a white light instead of an orange light. This is in cases of emergency. Just be sure that the bulb is 21 watts. I hope this video helps. If it did, give us a like and subscribe. If you have any additional questions, leave us a comment. Visit us at despairrepair.com, where you can find more written and video tutorials on various car DIY topics. Thanks for watching.